Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about CIBC Bank, and more specifically, I'm going to be walking you through 3 ways that you can order checks for your CIBC bank account. So first, just a little bit of background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have a little bit of background on what a check is, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your CIBC bank account number and routing number on it. So the first thing you're going to do is open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you usually use will be just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the CIBC Bank website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen. It is us.cibc.com. You can also check out the description for the link to CIBC Bank. So the first way that you can order checks is going to be to log on to your CIBC bank account online. To do this, you're going to click on the menu button, which is the 3 lines located at the top left corner of the screen. So you'll click on that, and then there's a sign on button that I accidentally clicked on too fast. There's a sign on to online banking button, so you'll click on that. That brings you to this page here where you will select the kind of bank account that you have. Usually it's going to be the CIBC net banking. You'll click sign on with that blue bar, and that'll bring you to this page here where you can enter your user ID, click continue, and then it'll prompt you to enter your password. If you don't have a user ID and password, there is a link on the left side of the page towards the bottom that says sign up. You simply click on that and then just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to banking options and order checks online. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way that you can order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for CIBC Bank. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your CIBC debit card, and that's probably going to be the easiest place to find this phone number. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the CIBC Bank website, but that can sometimes be a little bit tricky and not so straightforward to find. So if you happen to know of any other ways to find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third way I'm going to talk about that you can order checks is through third-party vendor websites. To do this, you'll go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for CIBC Bank. I already have this tab open, and I've already typed in order replacement checks for CIBC Bank. And what this does is it brings up several third-party vendor websites that you can use to order checks. So you've got Bradford Check Exchange, Checks Unlimited, and several more that you can use. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor. And so if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendor websites to order checks from, please let me know in the comments. Ordering checks this way is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you will need to have your exact CIBC bank account and routing number. So these are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information on CIBC Bank.